Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to buy Squarespace. To visit Squarespace website, you can use my affiliate link, which is bensexperience.com/Squarespace. Using this link will definitely support me create more content like this, so thank you for your support. And if you need any help related to Squarespace or website builders, feel free to reach me out at ben@bensexperience.com and I will help you for free. After arriving at Squarespace website, click on Get Started. Step 1, they ask you about your website topic. For example, let's go with a restaurant. Click on Next from the bottom. What do you want to do with your website? I want to, for example, I will skip this step because I'm not sure. How would you like to start building your website? I want to go with AI. Let's go with AI. A template that's unique to you. Design your homepage. Now click on Create Site. You can create your Squarespace account with using your Google account, Apple account, or a custom email. I will go with the custom email. First name, last name. And hit continue. Here you can select or choose your site title and brand personality. For this site title, you can change it later. Let's go with Pine Restaurant. For the brand personality, you can select between professional, playful, sophisticated, friendly, bold, quirky, and innovative. I will go with professional. Click on Next. Just for clarification, we are now in the homepage step, and there are three or more than three steps ahead of us. Now build your homepage section by section, adding as many as or as few sections as you need. This is let's select the intro section. You can select the layout from here. Selecting AI, I expected to have to just type text or a prompt, just like with ChatGPT, and they will build my website for me. But I think this is step by step. Let's go with this intro section. For the product step, you can. I think I selected a restaurant website. I don't know why they are showing me anything but restaurants. Let's go with this section type. For the services section, our services. Let's go with this, or let's go with this appointments. I don't like this method of selection between layouts because this window hides what's behind her. So I'm not sure. I think they need to work on their website user experience more. I think if you click away from this window, you can see, and you can click again on change layout. But this is not top user experience. Let's go with digital product section. Let's go with this type about. Let's keep it simple. Social section. Let's go with this. Follow us on social media. Forms section. I prefer forms this way, and finish with the footer. This is nice. Click on next. Add pages to your site. At the previous step, when I selected between AI or building my website step by step, I prefer to go with AI to avoid doing this work. This is not what I like. I prefer to get things done quickly. We recommend starting with these, but you can always add or remove pages later. Let's go with about, contact, shop, or appointments. Yes, and these are the pages that I want in my site. At this time, click on next. Choose a color palette. Recommended, playful. Let's keep it professional. This gray, I prefer it. Choose a font pairing. Professional. Let's go with Roboto. What is... Unfortunately, the fonts selection is not instantly updated in this preview window. Let's go with Roboto. Click on finish and wait a moment. Welcome to your site. Creating a beautiful site is the best way to bring your idea to life. Here are a few things to get you started. What would you like to call your site? I want to call it Pine Restaurants. Next, edit pages. To add, edit and remove text or images, and to customize a page. Use edit. You can customize every section on a page. Yeah, okay. Next, create pages. Add and remove pages in the pages panel. When you're done, organize them to create a navigation menu that helps your users explore your site. Okay. Style your site. Use the site styles panel to define your site's unique look and feel. With designers themes, you can customize your entire site with just one click. That's good. Okay, let's get started. This is the result of my selection. I'm satisfied with this design. Your trial ends in 14 days. Upgrade now to get the most out of your website. Click on subscribe. Yes, I want to subscribe now. There are 4 Squarespace plans you can go with, and the business is the most popular. I'm not sure if I will go with the business or the personal one. Let's check the difference between both of them. Both of them comes with a free domain name, SSL security, unlimited bandwidth, video hosting, SEO features for site visibility, templates, contributors. The first difference between the personal plan and the business one is the number of contributors. With the personal, you can only have 2 contributors. The mobile optimized websites still the same. The 24/7 customer support, basic website metrics, Squarespace extensions, also the same. And the second difference is that the business plan comes with a professional email from Google, not available with the personal plan. Same thing with the premium integrations and the blocks, complete customization with CSS and JavaScript. For commerce, both comes with client invoicing, sell content and memberships, customer accounts, but with the fully integrated e-commerce, it's only available with the business plan. Transactions fees for physical products and services. With the business plans, it's 3%. I don't know what's the case with the personal plan. Maybe this feature is not available with the personal plan. For the transaction fee, for content and membership sales, both are 9%. Sell unlimited products is only available with the business plan. Same thing with checkout on your domain. This is important to gain the trust of your customers on your website. Accept donations, only available on the business. Gift cards. Now, all of these features are not available neither on the personal or on the business plan. And for the marketing, advanced website analytics only available on the business. And for the promotional pop-ups and banners only available on the business. I think I will go with the business. Click on select under business. You can pay annually for $23 per month or monthly with $36 per month. I think I will go with annually. Click on confirm selection. Now fill in your billing information. Before clicking on save and continue, first verify your estimated total if there is any tax to pay, then click on save and continue. You can pay using PayPal or credit/debit card. I will go with my credit card. In the case of paying using PayPal, a new PayPal window will pop up. Then you can select your payment method if it is your current balance or your credit card. After that, click on save and continue. Here you can still review your order. This is your card, your billing address, your payment method, and due today. This is the price. After that, click on confirm payment. Now my website purchase was successful. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bainsexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. If you want to claim your domain name now, just click on this button. In my case, I will go to my site. How did you hear about Squarespace? I will skip this step. And now I can publish my website. You can click on publish your website. And this is your temporary link. Click on publish. Click on publish. Your site is now live. Share it with the world and start driving traffic. Done. If you still see this Squarespace menu here after visiting your website live, you can hide it using this arrow. And this is your Squarespace website live. If you need any help related to Squarespace, feel free to leave your comment below. Also, I will make a full playlist on how to edit your website on Squarespace. Just don't forget to check out these emails from Squarespace, especially this one about account verification. After opening this email, click on Verify Now in order to verify your email address with Squarespace.